Can you see this studio behind me? Yes, this is my studio, and this is costed me 0 rupees. I gonna let you know how you can create your own studio for your videos if you don't have any rupee. You don't even need to buy a camera, even just using your mobile phone you can do. You need just a 100 rupees cloth that is behind me. As you can check out, this is my studio, but it's not studio, it's just a green screen cloth. It's just a cloth, and if I want to change, I can change it to any studio. You have to do a thing is that you have to go to ChatGTP and generate a high quality image over there, and you can place this behind your screen. You can check out in my editing software. I am just adding a image over there, adding my this video, and after that just I do have to nothing to do, just place a green screen effect. Like, share, subscribe, hit bell icon for get more videos like this and ideas like this. How you liked my studio? Free studio, 0 rupees studio. Bye bye.